Subscribe to my channel thaazpassion and press the bell icon to get instant notification. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, requesting all my viewers to pray for our brothers and sisters who are suffering from floods in Kerala and Karnataka. Today I will be sharing some useful tips and tricks to follow in the kitchen. Some of you must be following these tips. This is not a hidden secrets, but will be helpful for the newbies or beginners. Let's see these tips and tricks. First tip, which make our kitchen always clean and organized. While chopping veggies or fruits, collect the waste directly on newspaper or in the plate, so the countertop will be clean and we will save our time. Tip number 2. As we all know that it's jackfruit season. So after cutting jackfruit, the knives and hands will be so sticky. The stickiness will not go soon after scrubbing. So the best way is take some coconut oil and rub it on all your knife completely and keep it for 2 minutes. After that, just wipe it with a tissue paper or with a newspaper. Now you can see that there is no stickiness. It's perfectly clean. Now clean it with the water. Tip number 3. Storing green chili directly will not be fresh for long time. So first remove all the stem of the chili. You can wash it also, but now I am showing how you can store it directly. Now spread a tissue paper in the container. This will absorb the moisture of the chili. Now store this in a refrigerator. In this way, it will be fresh for up to 2 weeks. You can also store in a Ziploc bag. Tip number 4. Once we finish preparing roti, the countertop will be so messy with the dry flour. So, before preparing roti, spread a kitchen towel under the chakla. This will help the chakla not to move from one place to another, and all the dry flour will be collected in the cloth, which helps in cleaning later. Tip number 5. How to store the curry leaves more than 2 to 3 weeks. First, collect all the leaves in a bowl. You can store this in a glass container. Now I am showing in this container. First, spread the tissue paper. This will absorb the moisture of the leaves. In this way, you can keep the leaves fresh more than 2 weeks. Now keep it in the refrigerator up to 2 to 3 weeks. And the second method is easiest method, which can be done in tissue paper, or you can do this method in a newspaper too. Wrap it in a tissue paper. Both the sides should be closed. In this way, you can store and keep fresh more than 20 days. Now store this in a refrigerator. Now tip number 6. Peeling a garlic is the biggest headache for all the ladies. Here we will be sharing a trick how to peel this garlic in a minute. We can do this method in a glass container. For this, we need a same size of 2 bowls. Add the garlic in a bowl, loosen the cloves. Now close it with a bowl. Now shake it vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. You are done. These methods are very easy and effective. You can even peel 1 kg of garlic in just a minute by using this method. Now store this in a container and keep it in a refrigerator. Tip number 7. Whenever you get extra lemons from market, they tend to turn dark and ripe fast. Keep them fresh for a longer time by wrapping it with a tissue paper or with a newspaper. You can also wrap with a cling film and store in a refrigerator for more than 2 to 3 weeks. You can also store it on a glass container. Tip number 8. Now let's see how this cilantro can be stored. If you want, you can cut the edge part and discard it. Now fold it and wrap it in the cling film and keep it in the refrigerator up to 2 weeks. Up to 2 weeks it will be fresh. This is the easiest method to store in the refrigerator and won't take more place to store. In this way you can store the spring onion or mint leaves too. So that's it friends, today's tips and tricks. We'll be back with more tips and tricks videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.